In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with a live site where you want to swap out your old pages with the newly designed pages that you're updating your website with. This is done with WordPress and Divi, and we'll also talk about a little bit about if you're using e-commerce with WooCommerce. I'm already logged into my WordPress dashboard. We're looking at the old index page for the website. This has been out there for a while. It's live, and we've been working on building all of these brand new pages, but we need to figure out how to get them introduced to the live site without having any downtime. So this is my recommendation. This is how I would do it. So I've already built out all of my pages for everything site-wide, including the home page, all of my static pages like contact, about us, so on, and then all of the WooCommerce stuff if you have e-commerce as well. So without further ado here, I'm logged in, I'm at the home page here, and I'm going to talk about the index page first because it's handled just a little bit differently. There's one extra little step that you have to do in order for it to go live on the home page for your website. So this is the old website home page, and this is the new one, and we want to replace this without having any downtime. So the first thing you want to do is go over here to your menu at the upper left hand corner, and you want to click on dashboard. And there's multiple ways in WordPress to get to the same place, but I'm just going to show you what I typically do. So I'm at the dashboard, and I want to go to Appearance, and I want to go to Customize. I'm going to click on that. Once it loads, we're going to see the standard. You are customizing whatever your web page name is. This is all stock WordPress stuff here. It's not Divi. So you come down here to Homepage Settings, and this is only for your index page, nothing else. So we go to the home page right here. You'll see we've got the old home page. Whatever you've named yours, if it's, a lot of people name them welcome or home page, for instance. So I want to point to my new home page, so I'm going to find it in this list, and there it is, new home page. Click on that. You'll notice over here that it updates dynamically. There's the new home page. You can scroll through and check it out and make sure that that's the one and everything looks right. And once you're satisfied with that, then come over here and hit publish in the upper left hand corner. And that's all there is to that as far as making it go live. So now if we go to the actual front end of the website, that's what people are going to be seeing. It's that fast. Now there's one extra step you have to take, and that is go down here to Pages, click on All Pages, and then we're going to look at the old home page. I'm going to do a quick edit because that's where you'll see the things that you need to pay attention to right here. You have a name or a title for your existing or your old home page, and you have a slug. So let's say if your title of your home page was welcome, then in all lowercase the word welcome would be down here for slug. If it said welcome to our site, then down here it would say in all lowercase welcome to our site with hyphens between each word for the slug. You'll need to change these two, but before you can do that, you need to go back to I'll go back to let me see here, I'll go ahead and cancel this. You'll want to go back and trash this first so that you can rename the new page, which is up here, with the old page slug and title. So again, if this said welcome and you had the slug of welcome, then you would want to trash this first, come up here, click on quick edit for the new home page, and you type in welcome here, and then welcome all lowercase there. If it's multiple words, then use hyphens between them just like you see here. And then once you've done that, you can hit update, and then nothing loses its place. Just because you trash the old one doesn't mean it's lost and gone forever. It's still going to be in your trash bin. So if you panic and you go, oh my gosh, I've done something wrong here, I need to reinstate the old one, then all you have to do is go up to the one. They'll have one here that says trash. I don't have any in there right now, but if I were to trash that, I can go ahead and do it now. If I wanted to trash the old home page, you click trash, and then you'll notice up here in your trash bin you have the old home page. And I'm not ready to delete it permanently, so I'm going to restore it. But before you can rename any new page to be identical to the old pages throughout the website, this is including the static pages, your e-commerce pages and all of that, you'll need to trash the old one first and then rename the new one identical to what the old one was, so that you don't lose anything. Your SEO, all of the pages and the way they're indexed are based on that page title and your slug. So now we're going to move on to a static page. I've created one for this example. This is a contact page. This is the old one, and I've noted it down here, our old contact page, so that you could follow along with this. Let's say this is your contact page, and you want to change it to this new contact page, which isn't a whole lot different, except I put this is our new contact page there. All of your static pages, your contact, about us, pages like that aren't associated with your dynamically delivered WooCommerce pages, if you have e-commerce, all of these are going to be treated the same way. So again, you'll come over here to this menu, you'll go down to Dashboard, you'll come down here to Pages and go to All Pages, and you'll notice here that I have our old contact page and our new contact page. Again, you can click on Quick Edit and it says our old contact page and then our slug in that format. I'm going to cancel that. So I would want to trash this first, and then once I put that in the trash, go to my new one and do a quick edit and just simply name this title exactly like the old one was and name this slug exactly like the old one was, and then hit update, and that's applied. Now I'm not going to go into the WooCommerce pages, but I will tell you that there's about 5 different pages that are supporting the WooCommerce side of things. So even if you have like a WooCommerce store or a catalog, a catalog that is like a WooCommerce site except you're not actually selling product on it, you'll have these pages there. And I'll show you, like if we go back to all pages over here in this left menu, you'll see cart, and it says cart page. That's one of those WooCommerce pages. Checkout, and it says checkout page. That's another WooCommerce page. So you'll need to create new cart page, shop page, checkout page, my account page, and refund and return policy page. All of that is going to be listed here. Here's your refund and returns policy, your shop page. All of that will have to be updated as well. So if you haven't already created new pages to match the rest of your website, your new website, for the WooCommerce side of it, you're going to have to go in there and create a new cart page and my account page and so on. So those 5 that you have to look for: shop, cart, checkout, my account, refund and returns policy. There might be another exception here and there depending on the way you've got your store set up. But that's all there is to it. This way you don't have any downtime. You don't have to have a down for maintenance page. You don't have to restrict your customers from not being able to do business with you while you're trying to make all of these new pages go live. So there's a lot of convenience there by doing it this way. And who cares if they're, while you're in the process of doing this, they see your new home page, but then when they get to some of the secondary pages like the contact us and about us and all that, it appears to be your old page. While you're doing it, we don't care. All of those pages are still functional and they can still use your website, because this whole process, once you've got all your new secondary pages created, is only going to be a matter of a few minutes. You could probably do an entire website once everything's designed with the new pages, this whole process will probably only take you 15 or 20 minutes, and you'll develop speed as you go along. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments, and have a great day.